This is a sugar maple tree, 32 inches in diameter. My largest freehand milling project yet. You missed all the fun of using a pry bar and logs to get it rolled uphill and then up onto these ramps to get it up off the ground. And you see I've got it wedged in place with a couple of other log fragments. As I start taking slabs off of this, it's going to throw it out of balance and keep this, 1,500 pounds of wood from rolling one way or the other when I do it. I'm going to go in now and throw some 2x4s at it to brace it. Alright, well, here's my little platform. Those screws go into the log a little bit, which isn't great for that center plank that I'll get, but in the name of safety, they will help stop it from rolling. Most logs I work with, if they roll a little bit or shift as I'm working, I just kick them and they go back into place. This will roll right over me, so a little bit of overkill, I'll take it. Platform for myself to walk on. It gets the log at a comfortable height for me to work and keep this blade steady and straight. With a little bit extra hanging out the back where the cut exits, because I usually end up walking a little bit backwards of the log as I'm working. And we're ready to fire up the saw. Right down my line. Good enough for freehand work. So herein lies the experimental part of this log. The bar length, 24 inches, isn't as long as the log is thick, so I cannot slab it with this. Another reason I don't have a chainsaw mill, because the Alaskan mills actually use up the last 2 inches of your blade, so my 22-inch blade would only be able to mill my 24-inch blade could only mill 22-inch logs. What I'm going to try with this, since I have 6-foot-long slabs, I'm going to then take the blade out, complete the cuts all the way to the bottom of the log, so 24 inches deep on either end. I'll have a ribbon of connecting wood that's about 2 feet long and probably about 6 to 8 inches thick. I'm going to do that for the remainder of the slabs on the log in this position. I'm going to have a series of cuts that don't go all the way through the log. Then put some wedges in, run a ratchet strap around the log, and try to roll it over so that what is now the bottom becomes the top, and I can complete those cuts. Right, all the cuts complete from the top to the bottom. I've driven wedges into the kerfs to keep them from closing up like a book when I roll it over. Strapped one of the ends that I cut off yesterday to make this side of the log more round and more, hopefully, easy to roll. And I've ratchet strapped everything together. So, next step is to take off all my protection that I've screwed to the side of the log, and hopefully it'll roll right over and let me finish my cuts on the other side. Alright, got it rolled. Sorry I didn't film during any of it. There wasn't much to watch or listen to. The commentary was mostly profanity and long strings of vowels, leverage and fulcrums to get it rolled up and into position. Got some wedges down either side. I'm ready to finish my cuts. All done. Let's pull the screws out and see what happens. All apart. Beautiful grain. This is exciting. A couple 100 pounds each. I braced them as I cut so they didn't fall against me. Would have knocked me over holding a running chainsaw. That'd be bad. Now I gotta bribe somebody into helping me put these things on the rack. Thanks for watching.